If you're looking for a beautiful white countertop, this video's for you. You will see the step-by-step process right here using kit number 1, a white base with silver highlights. Order yours in the description below.
All right, so we're getting ready to do kit number 1, white base coat with silver highlights. We've already got the primer down. We did our edges twice, the vertical edges. That way they're nice and bright white. And we've already got our product mixed up. I don't like to grab these by the handle because they've broken on us before and spilled epoxy everywhere. So when you're mixing in jugs like this, just grab the whole jug. So we're gonna dump down the middle. So we're just going to start rolling this. Okay, so once you're done with the top, we're gonna start doing our edges. We wanna make sure our roller's kind of soaked up, and then we're gonna just roll about a foot on the edge. Soak it up again, roll a foot on the edge. And we're just gonna continue this all the way down the edges. And if you were doing a backsplash, you would do your backsplash first, just like we're doing this edge. That way you don't have to lean over. And the trick on those backsplashes are just to do it really thin. If you put product on the backsplash too thick, it's just gonna run down on the top. So the thinner the better on backsplashes. Same thing with adding highlights to them. The less you add, the better it's gonna stick and the better it's gonna look. So now we're ready for our highlights. We'll set that in the bucket. Now we're gonna be using a squeegee. Just a squeegee you can get on Amazon. You can use a Bondo squeegee. Both of those work. So this is what I'm gonna use to blend these highlights. And we're doing silver highlights. So again, simple vein technique. We're gonna dump this out in a vein pattern, random vein pattern, and then we're gonna blend it with that squeegee. Now all I'm gonna do is go in between, and on every vein that goes over that edge, we're just gonna add a little product. That way we'll have enough of that vein color to flow over that edge and make these edges look really good. So this is a really simple technique. It's almost impossible to screw up unless you add, like, if we would have used all those highlights, all that material, and we start blending this, it would overpower that white. So you really want to be careful when you're adding darker highlights into light bases. So this is why these videos are great. They kind of show you exactly how to do it. So we want to hold this squeegee at an angle. If we hold it up straight up and down, it's just going to push all the products. We want to hold it at an angle, be really light, go all different directions, and as we're doing the top, we're going to hit the edges too. And you want to be careful, because if you move too fast, it'll just throw epoxy. It'll run across the surface and run off the counter. So we're just going to start blending this.
Thanks for watching, everyone. If you're ready to order your kit, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any projects coming up. We'll see you guys next time.